Hello. Hi. So today, it's our Christmas party. Mag-aayos tayo ngayon. Ang theme namin is just white Christmas. So, basically, magwa-white lang ang person. Anong oras na ba? 7 p.m. yung party. It's 3:51. Ngayon, pa lang ako mag-aayos kasi kakapatulog ko lang ng Junakis ko. Para later may energy siya. Hindi siya magwawala kasi antok na siya. Ano tayo? Mag-contact lens kasi para may makita tayo for today's video. Trip. Dito na naman tayo ulit sa Florida. Sa ating home sweet home. It's been amazing. Oh my God. The trip is much needed. Ngayon, ready na ka ulit lumaban sa buhay, B. Ready na ulit. Mag-doubles na. Ano naman tayong pahinga, B? Ano naman tayong day off? Gabi yung ano natin, B. Hanggang gabi yung labanan. Mamaya, lalagay mo. Apply muna natin ganyan. Tapos, ikakalat na lang natin yan later. Gamit ang may tigyawat pa tayo dyan, Mi. Ano ba yan? Tigyawat. So, ayun nga. From that trip, sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Lahat sa Korea, sa Philippines, sa Thailand. Lalo na yung nakabanding ko ulit yung mga friends ko. Kasi it's been a while. Hindi ko na sila nakabanding ng ganon, katagal. Lalo na pag umuwi ako, syempre, di ba, laging priority yung family doon. So, bibisitahin ko lang sila ng half a day or mag-aano lang kami ng half a day. Magbabanding ng half a day. Tapos, yun na, syempre, may kanya-kanya na rin, ganap sila sa buhay, kaya wala na rin masyadong time. So, yung nag-made sila ng time for me to celebrate my birthday, saka magkita-kita kami. It's a lot. Naiyak na. Charing. Hindi, basta alam na nila yun. Nagdramahan na kami sa GC. Sa GC. Yung andun kami. Hindi mo kami nagdramahan. Nagtawanan lang kami. Which is, I miss. Kasi ganun lang kami pag magkakama. Puro puro tawa, B. Tawa-tawa lang. Chismisan. Ganon. Kung ano nang ganap sa buhay. O hindi pa pantay. Sige, laban. Yun, saya kaya ka nanonood kayo. Kevs, Marlinda, thank you. Kasi, next time gawa na ng GCB. Wala pa nga, hindi pa tayo nakabawi sa gastos. Gala na naman yung nasa isip mo. Mag-ayos ka dyan. Mag-iipon ka pa. Kaya sa mga 50 plus na nanonood na, makapag-vlog ka lang, ang dami nanonood. Sa mga 50 plus na nanonood ng vlog ko, thank you so much. Thank you so much sa panonood at pag-support at pag-appreciate ng effort ko mag-edit. Uy, B, sabi ko sa inyo, kaya gigising ka ng sobrang aga for the edit. Kasi, hindi lang naman video, kailangan mong i-save, kailangan mong i-edit, kailangan mong i-review yung video. Kaya, kung hindi masyadong maganda yung biliyaan mo na. Basta, Pero, the main reason na vlinag ko yun is basically for me. Kasi, That's my memory for them. Lalo na dito, nasa malayo ako. Malayo ko sa kanila. So, lagi ko silang namimiss yung family ko, ganun. Kaya kapag, mamimiss ko sila, may papanoorin ako. Diba? Although, lagi naman kami nag-uusap. Pero, syempre, yung mga ganong memory na you're with them, memory, diba? Saka, nakakamiss mag-Tagalog. Dito eh. Hirap ko yung mag-English. Sorry. Ilang years ka na dito, hirap ka pa rin mag-English. Hindi naman sa hirap. Syempre. Hindi naman natin to first language. Syempre. Gusto mo pa rin yung yung Tagalog. Tagalog pa rin. Ito, nabili ko rin to sa Korea. So, ito nga pala yung palette na gagamitin ko. Parang same-same lang sila, no? Bobo ko talaga. Maghiwalay ko kasi itong binili. So, napanood ko to sa TikTok. Wait. Gaganon lang muna. Ito muna. Yan. Kalimutan pang ganun yan. Hindi na pantay. Talaga naman. Ako dun. Tapos, yun lang natin. Ganyan lang natin. Ganyan lang daw yun. Ay, bipak. Taglan siya. Kabila naman para pantay. Laban na yan.
Hi vlog.
Selfie.
A selfie.
You know these new phones when you
And this mommy.
Okay, but we gotta do cheese. Dumatahi ni mami sa braso day. Wala na. Ayan.
She's a monster.
Bakit mo naman nilagay ito mag-isa? Puro glitters ka na tuloy. I will do it, okay?
Okay.
Ang arte. Manang-mana ka. Look at you. Hey, we're not the last one. Yay! Finally! Hindi lang tayo yung late. Tita Arby!
Hey,
Selfie! Si Ayi doon. Oo.
Smart.
Yeah.
RB? Naabuti mo siya?
Nice to meet you.
Looking good? Looking good? Say hi.
It's a winning game. Nice to meet you.
Friend.
Don't worry, I had to do that. The last one.
Oh, thank you.
You need to put it one by one. Like that.
No, what are you doing?
Kay Misty.
Thanks, wait. Yeah. One by one.
Hey, let's eat. You want to eat?
Yeah, man, go get it. He was like, do you want the fat and stuff? I'm like, man, give me everything. What, no horseradish? I got a little bit. I might actually go back and get some more. Yeah.
Black niya, no? Karen, black pa yung mukha ko, yung ilong ko.
It's not her. Yeah, he's working.
Almost there.
Why did you swallow the watermelon? I think he's sleeping.
Yawa kasi Diana, dalawang table lang ayaw ko paalisin. Ito? Yung manager niyo. Kasi nagkat sa akin.
Very good.
He's going to sleep at your house tonight. Okay? I just gave her a strawberry and she gave her the cake. Good choice. Good choice. I agree. All she did was lick off the whipped cream and put the strawberry down.
You gotta be hyper. Right, Sophie?
Sophie!
You gotta be hyper.
We're gonna go to the kids' room. How are you? Good. How are you? Nice to meet you. Yeah, yeah. Good. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Hala, kumain lang. Lahat kinain, te. Tingnan mo.
Wait for all the food.
Huh?
Wait for your home.
Well,
You're happy.
I don't know, because I don't even like it.
Go all of them on the
Parang
family.
gusto na alam ko.
Hey, Anam, baby, no mas. That's it.
I got my car.
Sophie!
Say hi!
Hi! Hi! How? Ang ganda ng ano niya, no? Bakit ka sa akin mamaya? Nanay na. Ang bilis
Yes,
ng tela.
Stop! Stop!
Is it Aaron?
My what's name work for me today?
Ikaw, wala? Masya kapil.
Dance? Okay. Picture first. Hey. Babe. Wanna go party?
Ay, may edit pa kasi. Ano ba yan?
Wala, hindi ka.
Uy, doon nasa gitna ka. Sa gitna ka, Lula.
Wait lang, mahaba ng damit ko.
Ito ba yung ano? Come on, sir.
Go, let's go. Okay na ba?
Loading!
Print.
We're loading.
So get ready, and be ready to perform. But how many suites do we have at Baker's Cay Resort?
Ganda ka dyan. Upo ka kunyari. Yan, ganyan, ganyan.
Sophie, say cheese. Tita Nina is not there. Okay. She's not there. Yay! Gentle.
Cheers with Tita. Cheers. One, two, three. Cheers. 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 Cheers.
Music man. It's gonna be your time.
Cheers with
Make the
Tita.
party rock.
Cheers with Tita.
Make it happen. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the party. Keep on drinking.
Hey, first and foremost, I want to welcome everybody that's here tonight. And we want to say Merry Christmas.
It was a gift basket, so it was like coffee shop.
I saw it, but I thought it had like all coffee in it.
Bye. Here, microphone.
Microphone.
Yeah, say good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. Mommy, it's watching come.
Say bye. Say bye. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, baby. Good night, baby.